What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I will be showing you how to get a ringtone under 2 minutes. So you need GarageBand and Ringtone Maker. I'll take like 5 seconds so you guys can take a picture of the apps. Ringtone Maker and GarageBand. They're right there and there. So do that. You want to go create ringtone from audio. Click that. Photo library. Click that. Then click anything you want, click any video. I recommend going to CapCut for this. And then find a video that has a good music.
Hi.
Or I can like CapCut, and then Ringtone Maker. Click any video. Let's see, Adrenaline. Move this a bit, then put it back up. Audio is processing. GarageBand.